Hey, it's Heather Ruth, your favorite friendly detail car enthusiast, back with another video. So if you're into car products, unboxings, demonstrations, and even reviews, then hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and sit back and enjoy the show.
Yeah, I get my package. Ooh, ooh. Have you ever washed your car and it's all nice and shiny, but afterwards your windows look like this? I don't know if you guys can see that. This is gonna be a short video. Just gonna show you how to clean a window. Alcohol. The alcohol is what takes away all the extra dirt and grime and things that's on it. I want to flip to a clean side of that microfiber. And now you have a cleaner window on the outside to see the dirt in the inside. See all those fingerprints and the smears on the inside? We're going to do the same exact thing in the inside. And once you have a clean, clear surface, you can actually then use your glass cleaner or wax or anything like that to keep the window hydrophobic, which is what I use. There's a quick see, now you have a clean, clear window inside and out. And again, like I said, if you want to keep it hydrophobic, it's a quick wax. And it keeps the fingerprints away as well from the inside. So those who have kids, be awesome. New towel, microfiber towel. Massage it in. Let it haze. Then wipe off. And now you have a nice, clean, shiny, hydrophobic window.